So guys, I'm about to restock our skin repair black soap. So I've already measured out my black soap. So this one is for skin repair black soap, while this one is for stretch mask black soap. So but this is what I'm working with now. And I've already bought out all my raw materials. Then I'm about to measure them out, but this is what I'm working with. So guys, our skin repair black soap is now back in stock. This soap is very effective when it comes to skin treatment. If you're someone that has damaged skin caused by bleaching, harsh chemical products you use before, get this soap. This soap is very effective. It's going to treat your skin, brighten up your skin, fade dark spots, clears skin reactions. This soap is very effective and nice. It's super effective.